Yeah. Oh no, baby, you're my number one. Baby, you're the number one. Yeah. Them say love is hard to find. Well, you know too hard me to find my.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do this natural looking makeup, and I was able to install this beautiful bob wig. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, and also share this video with your friends. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do this beautiful flawless looking makeup look. If you want if you want to do a makeup and you don't want people to know that you have a lot of makeup on, like it's like a no makeup look, this tutorial is definitely for you. And I actually use like all drugstore products to achieve this makeup, so it's very affordable. And I actually love it. I absolutely love this makeup look, and I love this bob hair that I'm rocking. It's from Ali Sugar Hair Company. I'm gonna leave all the hair specs in the description box below. It's a very beautiful, you know, simple short bob hair. Anytime you want to go out, anywhere you want to go to, you can just pop it on and off you go. It's really nice, you know. So I went ahead and twist the lace part and then applied my concealer on it and then just laid it. You're gonna see everything in the video anyway. So now let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly show you guys what the packaging of the wig looks like. Like I said earlier on, the hair is from Ali Sugar Hair Company, and the wig is 10 inches. And this is the lace frontal. So right here I'm gonna be using my London Girl eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna start by doing my brows. So now I just apply my brow tinter from MUA. After that, I'm gonna use my MAC NC45 concealer to clean the brow, and then I'm just gonna clean everything up. I'm gonna write the list of everything I use in the description box below. So right here I'll be going in with my chocolate palette. I'll be going in with this cool color. I'm going to use it as my transition color. Now I'll be going in with this darker shade. I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eyes, but I'm just applying very minimal eyeshadow because I'm going for a very natural look. Then I'll be going with this brown. I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. Now I'm going in with this color with a little bit of shimmer. I'm going to apply it on my brow bone. Then I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline. Then now I'm going to go ahead and apply my liquid eyeliner. Without a thread, and I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high? I'm just gonna apply my eye mascara, and then I'm gonna apply my false lashes off camera. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and apply my blush. I'm going for a cool brown blush. This is totally optional. You don't have to apply blush. I just love applying it. So guys, I've done my foundation routine off camera. If you want to see how I do my foundation, I'm going to leave a link to the video in the description box below. Right here, I'm just going to with my bronzer. I'm going to apply it on my cheekbone, on my nose, and on a little bit of my forehead. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this cool, natural looking lip pencil. Then I'm going to go in with this natural nude matte lipstick. Then I'm going to spray my Urban Decay Fix Spray. Yeah, so first of all, I'm going to go ahead and twist the wig. I'm going to twist the parting area. Then I'm going to cut off the spare lace in front. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer or my foundation on the parting to make it look more natural. Then here I'm just applying my hair oil. I'm going to apply, it's a heat protectant oil. So I decided to apply it first before straightening the hair. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. So now I'm going to create my baby hair. You don't have to do this, but I'm just going to go ahead and create my baby hair. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Ice, Ice,